Looking to clean your house beyond dry vacuuming but don't want to spend the hassle of getting another mop? Here's how to use our newest addition, the AquaMarine Wet and Dry Roller Brush. Ching ching ching! Okay, accessory, larger, accessory, the brush, the wall mount. Here's how to use it. First, lift up this handle to detach the water tank. This water tank serves as a 2-in-1 water tank as well as dustbin. Next, lift up this flap to add in clean water. If you wish to add in gentle floor cleaners, it goes in here as well. For the fluffy roller brush, it is flush to the right to get as close to the wall as possible. Simply connect back the attachment and attach the EvoSonic Ultra Detect to it. Once you hear a click, it is secure and ready to go. To clean, just use systematic smooth forward and backward movements. A full dirty water tank will be indicated by the LED indicator light, and the vacuum cleaner will be automatically switched off. For cleaning and maintenance, detach the locks at the side and dispose the dirty water. To access the roller brush, lift up this latch at the side where you can see the blade for hair cutting as well. The whole attachment is non-electric, so you can wash it easily with water, hot water, or any cleaning solution you wish to use. Please ensure that it's rinsed and air-dried thoroughly before reassembly. What makes our AquaMarine so special? Firstly, conventional wet and dry vacuums are not able to clean both hard and soft floors, such as carpets and rugs. Secondly, it has the widest range of attachment to fit your every needs. From sofas to window corners, car interior, pets, and even carpets. The EvoSonic AquaMarine mop and vacuum all services in one pass.